Welcome to Live in and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. Our first message today is light and joy and peace abide in me. You are as God created you, not what you made of yourself. Whatever evil you may think you did, you are as God created you. Whatever mistakes you made, the truth about you is unchanged. Your sinlessness is guaranteed by God. This message is so powerful, especially if you are judging yourself, you are being harsh to yourself. Then this is a reminder to be kind to yourself, not judge yourself, and that you are a pure, sinless soul. Our second message today is water your garden. It is about nourishment, body care, tenderness and rest. Earth is a seasonal planet, and as such, you are a seasonal being, cyclic. You can't be on and in full bloom month after month, day after day. You are strongly being called to put on the brakes, rest and refuel. To take a moment to restock and replenish and slow right on down. Your body is the only body you are given, and it needs to be respected as such. You are being called to take responsibility for your well-being and to put your health and body first. I know it can feel like time is running out and as if there are urgent things that simply can't wait. However, if you keep pushing on, soon fatigue will set in. This way of living is not sustainable. If anyone continues to race through life, eventually they will reach exhaustion, and it will take longer to recover than it would have done to rest. Immune system disorders and mystery illnesses are becoming more common because we are putting too much pressure on our bodies to keep up with the instantaneous pace of modern life. How are you being called to put on the brakes, to rest, restore and rejuvenate? When was the last time you took a holiday or had a full weekend, a day off or an afternoon off? Look after your precious body and mind. Give yourself enough time to recover when you find yourself running on your reserves. There is enough time. Life will bend towards you when you do. And the inquiry for this card is, what is your body yearning for? You know, our body is very intelligent. We usually take our body for granted. In hustle bustle and fast pace of life, we want everything like yesterday, and in that we forget that we have to take care of ourselves. We have to take care of our well-being, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual. Our body needs rest. Our mind needs rest. This message we had got yesterday also, and this is once again a reminder to take care of your health. Take care of your body. And we've seen so many lifestyle diseases these days, right? They're very common. Hypertension, diabetes, these are the lifestyle diseases, and we make choices because of which we get these diseases. So this is a reminder to take rest. Of course, when you recharge and rejuvenate, it actually increases your personal productivity. Ask yourself, what is your body yearning for? What does your body need right now? And you will get the answers if you listen to your body. These are the messages for today. Lots of love.